In today's tutorial, we're going to discuss how to extract Arabic text from images. How's it going, everyone? If you're working with Arabic OCR in .NET, here's a solid way to get started using Iron OCR. Head to the NuGet Package Manager and make sure you've installed both the core Iron OCR package and the IronOCR.languages.arabic language pack. And these are the key components for accurate Arabic text recognition. So let's dive into the code. We've already written a small console app that reads Arabic text from an image and then saves the output to a file. At the top, you'll see the license key. This part is essential. Iron OCR won't work properly without it. We've tucked it inside a region block to keep it neat and hidden. Make sure to use your key when you're deploying. Next, we create an instance of Iron Tesseract. This is the main engine handling OCR operations. And right after that, we set the language to Arabic. This helps Iron OCR load specialized models for right-to-left and complex script handling. We then load an Arabic image using Iron OCR input.loadImage. This image contains the Arabic text that we want to extract. Iron OCR takes care of pre-processing and layout detection behind the scenes. After reading the input, we write the recognized Arabic text into a text file using UTF-8 encoding. This ensures the characters are saved correctly and displayed properly. All right, so let's run it. We'll hit run and wait for the OCR magic to happen. And done. The console confirms the OCR result was saved successfully in Arabic_output.txt. So let's open the file. The text has been accurately pulled from the image, clean, correct, and ready to use. And that's the power of Iron OCR's Arabic support. So if you need fast, reliable Arabic OCR for your .NET app, Iron OCR has you covered. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from us. And if you want to get started with Iron OCR, sign up for the trial on the site, download and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below. Check it out for yourself.